how to back up WhatsApp business messages. In today's video, I'm going to show you exactly how to back up your WhatsApp business messages. Whether you're switching phones or just want to keep a backup for security, this process is really simple, so let's get started. First up, let's open WhatsApp business on your phone. Now go ahead and simply log into your account. After that, go to settings in the bottom left and simply scroll down and find chats. Here you can see the option that says chat backup. Tap on it, and here you can simply find backup now. Simply tap on that to simply start the backup process. After that, you need to choose where you want to backups to go. If you're using an Android device too, tap on backup to Google Drive. If you're on iPhone, select iCloud and make sure you're logged into your Google account or iCloud account before proceeding. And that's it. You've successfully backed up your WhatsApp business messages. If you ever need to restore your messages to a new device, you can easily do so by logging into the same Google or iCloud account.